All right, here's what I need you to do, please. We're gonna go over these, but first, can you hop into Notability on your iPads? And then you're gonna create a blank note for me. What I'm going to ask you to do is really, really large on that blank note, write down the letter that you selected for number 1. And then when I ask you to show me, you're gonna lift up your iPads and you're gonna show me. Has everyone had a chance to write down their letter? In 3, 2, 1, show me. All right, so I'm seeing a mostly unanimous class. You can put it down. Erase your answer if you haven't already, so that you can write your answer to number 2. And show me. Okay, in this example, I'm seeing a little bit more of a mixture.